कभी कभी मुझे इतनी हैरानी होती है हाउ वी इंडियंस हैव कम अप विद आवर ओन चाइनीज फूड। इनके अपने ही नाम है, अपनी ही रेसिपीज हैं। These dishes do not even exist in China, yet 1.4 billion people love them to death. आज हम एक डिश बनाएंगे जिसका नाम है अमेरिकन चॉप सुए। Now, American chop suey अगर आप फूड नेटवर्क में देखें तो एक रेसिपी है। There is a recipe on Food Network which uses macaroni and beef and all that, and they make something called as American chop suey. But I will be making the American chop suey which you Indians have had in your childhood back in India. I live in the US, so I really don't get this very often. I love American chop suey. Let's make it. So what's American chop suey? It's basically fried noodles. I'm going to be using Ching's Veg Hakka noodles and I'm going to be boiling them and then frying them. So ये हमारा खौलता हुआ पानी रेडी है और इसमें हमने डाले अपने ये चिंग्स हक्का नूडल्स। इनको हमने 2 से 3 मिनट तक पकाना है। 2 से 3 मिनट तक पकाएंगे एंड देन वी विल ड्रेन इट। थोड़ा ठंडे पानी से इसको रिफ्रेश कर ले ताकि ये ओवर कुक ना हो जाएं। प्लीज रिमेंबर, डू नॉट कुक देम मोर देन 2 to 3 minutes. They just need to be al dente. थोड़ा थोड़ा कच्चा रहना चाहिए because we're going to fry them. After you take them out, just spread the noodles on a large tray and इनको 1 से 1.5 घंटे तक थोड़ा सा सूखने दीजिए. You don't want to fry them when they are that wet. Now after waiting for a couple of hours, my noodles are nice and dry. As you can see, ये हमने ऐसे थोड़ा सा कॉर्न स्टार्च डाला. मैं डाल रहा हूँ लगभग 2.5 spoons of cornstarch. Let's put a little more. And I'm going to mix it in a way that every strand has the cornstarch in it. So the most important ingredient in this dish is obviously noodles. You want to fry them perfectly. Now these noodles, you have to do a little test run. I'm going to put this noodle into my kadhai and see how slowly it comes up. If it comes up slowly, that means your oil is perfect. If it burns up, you will know that the oil is too hot. And if it doesn't come up slowly, then that means the oil is too cold. तो ऐसे ही हम ये noodles batches में, there's a lot of noodles here, धीरे धीरे frying के लिए डालेंगे. And let them fry nicely. So let's add some chicken if you want to this chop suey. चिकन को ऐसे अक्रॉस काटेंगे and then we're going to cut this into strips. We have to fry the chicken. अब चाइनीज फूड में तो भैया चिकन फ्राई ही होता है. Let's make a small marination. ये है हमारा चिकन. हमने इसमें डाला 1 अंडा फेंटा हुआ. हमने डाला इसमें 2 चम्मच कॉर्न स्टार्च. थोड़ा सा डाला इसमें नमक, some pepper. Just mix the whole thing up. चलिए इन चिकन स्ट्रिप्स को फ्राई करते हैं धीरे धीरे. अब हमारे नूडल्स तो तैयार हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन आवर चॉप सुए का सॉस. चॉप सुए का सॉस बहुत सिंपल है. आई नो नूडल्स वर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, काफी टाइम लगता है उनको फ्राई करने में. वी स्टार्ट विद हॉट ऑयल इन अ वॉक. दिस इज चॉप्ड गार्लिक. वी पुट दैट. नाइस. गिव इट अ क्विक स्टर. We will start by putting our harder vegetables first. What are the harder vegetables? I think I've put the carrots, the onions, the chilies, the bell peppers and the beans here, right? So the hardest of them is carrots, followed by beans, onions, capsicum and chilies, and last will be my cabbage. I put my carrots in first and then we put all the other vegetables in there. And now it's time to put our cabbage. So here it goes, all the cabbage. And give it a... We will be sauteing these vegetables for about 3 minutes or so. थोड़ा सा नमक डालेंगे. ज़्यादा नमक नहीं डालना. You have to make sure the salt is not too much because you will be using a lot of soy sauce and ketchup and all that. So go easy on the salts. Nice. ये सब मैं आपको impress करने के लिए कर रहा हूँ. Don't try that at home if you're not used to it. अब मैं तैयारी करूंगा एक सॉस बनाने की, which is very simple. Just go to your pantry and you will have these ingredients. इस सॉस में क्या जाता है? जाता है tomato ketchup. I have the Maggi tomato chili garlic ketchup. ये डाला. Then we are gonna put some sort of chili sauce. So I'm putting some Sriracha chili sauce. Soy sauce. So here we go. Some soy sauce. And we will mix it up together. And pour it in our vegetables. अब इसको हिला लें और पकने दें. अब सॉसेस को मिलाने के बाद हम इसमें थोड़ा पानी डाल सकते हैं. मेरे पास है vegetable broth, so I'm going to use that. But you really don't have to worry about any broths or any stocks. Pani works, but I have some vegetable broth, so I am putting it. You can also put some chicken stock. All right, now let it come to a nice boil and we'll see how much thickening it requires. इसको हम thicken करेंगे थोड़ा cornstarch डाल के. उससे पहले एक और ingredient है, वो है white vinegar. ये भी इसमें डाल दीजिए थोड़ी खटास के लिए. मैं इसमें 3 capfuls डाल रहा हूँ. White vinegar. Now let it all come to a boil and we will thicken our sauce, adjust the seasoning and we are done. अब हम अपनी सॉस को थिकन करेंगे. I have some cornstarch right here and I will be making a slurry. And then we will pour this mixture into this sauce. My sauce is now ready, but I have some vegetarians in the house, so I am going to take some of my sauce out for the vegetarian people. और जो बाकी बची हुई सॉस है उसमें हम डालेंगे हमारा fried chicken. So this is for the vegetarians. There you go. And to the rest of it, I'm going to add all the chicken. Let this chicken soak in the sauce. I know you're thinking about these noodles, right? They are just served on the side. You just pour this sauce over these crispy noodles. I mix it up and our chop suey is ready.